Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### tutorial on numpy array mean with axis. Numpy is a powerful library in Python for numerical computations. One of its key features is the ability to work with arrays, which are collections of elements, typically numbers, that can be indexed and manipulated efficiently. In this tutorial, we will focus on the mean function in numpy, particularly how to compute the mean along different axes of an array. ######. What is the mean? The mean, or average, of a set of numbers is the sum of the numbers divided by the count of numbers. In numpy, the mean can be calculated for entire arrays or specific dimensions, axes, of multidimensional arrays. ######. Understanding axes in numpy. Axis 0, this is the vertical axis, rows. When you calculate the mean along axis 0, you are computing the mean for each column. Axis 1, this is the horizontal axis, columns. When you calculate the mean along axis 1, you are computing the mean for each row. ######. Using np.mean. The np.mean function can be used to compute the mean of an array. The syntax is as follows. A. Input array. Axis, axis or axes along which the means are computed. Type, data type to use in computing the mean. Out, alternative output array to place the result. Keep dims, if this is set to true, the reduced axes will be included in the result as dimensions with size 1. #####. Example code. Here's a code example demonstrating how to use np.mean, with different axes. #####. Output explanation. When you run the above code, you will see the following output. The mean of the entire array is 5.0, which is the average of all numbers in the array. The mean along axis 0 gives the average for each column, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0. The mean along axis 1 gives the average for each row, 2.0, 5.0, 8.0. Using keep dims equals true retains the original dimensions, resulting in an output with shape 1, 3, instead of 3, for the mean along axis 0. #####. Conclusion. Understanding how to compute the mean along different axes in a numpy array is essential for effective data analysis and manipulation. The np.mean function is versatile and can be adapted to various use cases by changing the axis parameter and using options like keep dims. Experiment with different arrays and axes to get comfortable with these concepts.